Wow, will you look at that dumpling, and can you believe there is authentic Uzbek street food in London? We go to Oshpaz, a super popular restaurant packed with all sorts of goodies, including these puff Samsy. Look at those beasts, these beautiful dumplings, otherwise known as Manty, and this fantastic lamb Plov with rice and pomegranates, and these hand-pulled lagman noodles. We delve into every single bit of this in an extraordinary Uzbeki street food in London episode. Enjoy!
TravelDog here, and I'm strolling down Jermain Street in London on the way to a restaurant called Oshpaz, an Uzbeki restaurant. Hadn't got a plan to go here at all, really. Bit of a last minute craziness. Uzbeki street food, what more could you possibly want? Dumplings, lamb and rice, I think kind of pastries stuffed with things. It sounds pretty damn good, but maybe doesn't it? And something to delve into. Yeah, my friend's Tats booked the place as we are off to go and see Fish. Do you remember who Fish is? Probably not. He used to be the lead singer in Marillion before he went solo, and this is his blowout tour, or sort of last tour. Anyway, we're nearly there. So it's tucked down here in one of these little kind of trendy streets. Got a bit lost, wasn't it, in that little fancy street back there. It seems to be down here. Oh, here it is. Here we go. Oshpaz. Looks pretty cool. People chilling outside. Getting ready. Looks kind of funky. Authentic Uzbek street food. Here it is. Oh, it's full of people. Cool. It's a cool place. This looks nice, man.
You know how few people do this first round? I don't know, I saw the person have some.
Here's Master Tan, just in case you wondered. He's been guiding us to the restaurant.
So there's basically like four things on this menu. Plov, which is traditional Uzbek rice dish. Lagman, traditional hand-pulled noodles, sometimes a bit spicy. Plus these dumplings, otherwise known as Manty, and these puff, like a beautiful puff pastry with meat inside them. We went for all of them.
Okay, so we got those. I think they're like puff things.
Yeah,
the things, aren't they?
They're the beef puff.
Nice beef puff things. Little sauces. These are these. What are the two on the left? Are they similar dumplings? Or are they something else?
Yeah, there's a mix of dumplings.
Mixed dumplings. Nice.
It's a lamb plov.
Lamb prov. That's like a kind of cool lamb and rice dish. Nice. A little bit of pomegranate on it.
And there's also some noodles that they put back to keep warm.
Oh, the spicy noodles as well, that's people. Understand. Okay, so let's delve in.
That's for Samsy.
This is no, it's good. It's like a little puff pastry with beef in it. Oh, look at that. Let's try that.
Why not so not eat to you?
Really good. That's really good. Loads of flavour. What would you say the flavours are in it? Ginger, garlic, turmeric, and this is the crazy sauce to go with it, yeah?
I think so, yeah, a bit of
A red, sort of more like a spicy red sauce, basically. Spicy red sauce.
yeah.
Okay, spicy red sauce, not very spicy. Look inside that, it's so tasty, man. Good. Nice. Yummy meat. Let's dip it in the yogurt sauce as well. Yogurt sauce flavour.
So some restaurants have started putting spin limits on to stop the bloggers and the YouTubers or the influencers coming in and ordering one thing. There's no doubt
really?
of that with us.
No. Most of the vloggers are really going for order like 90 things. I'd love to do that. When we get more.
So what I was trying to say is when we get more subscribers, I will hopefully be able to order every single thing on these menus so I can show you all the more different kind of exciting food. So please like and subscribe, or Jeffrey, TravelDog himself, will be very, very unhappy.
The puff pastry thing's surprisingly good. Okay, so this is the lamb prop, isn't it?
And it's meant to go well with the salad.
Oh, it's going well with the salad, okay. Yeah, so the lamb prop is basically like, it's like rice and lamb, isn't it?
Yeah.
Surprisingly good. Lamb's really succulent, rice is really tasty. Tastes a bit like the rice has been cooked in the stock, do you?
Yeah.
You got all sorts of nice little things in here. You got, I don't know what that is, but you got little veggie stuff. A bit of a chili. Nice chili. Pomegranate. Nice and decent chili. Really, really good actually. Really good rice. Bit of a salad to go with it. This is going to go well with this, yeah?
Yeah.
Chat to the master Tan, who's been to this restaurant before. Look at that. Good cucumber. Anyway, once you whack the salad on this, even better, this beautiful, beautiful rice. Really deep, flavorful rice. So we're going for this beast of a dumpling. Any idea what's in this one? You just... Oh, this is the pumpkin one?
Yeah.
Okay. Pumpkin dumpling. Let's have a bite to eat. Oh, good man. Look at that. Nothing like pumpkin dumpling, man. Onion, pumpkin. Tasty. Really dreamy, man. And this is, what was this called? This is the, I think that's only a drinks menu.
This is the lag.
The lagman, or I think, isn't it? Lagman. This is like a classic noodle dish. It looks really tasty, frankly. Okay, let's go for a few of these. Delve in! Oh, just throwing them everywhere.
Getting it down my throat.
Get it all over everything. You did it quite nicely this time. I made a real mess. These are homemade noodles that I'm just spilling everywhere across the world. I'm not filming particularly well, but here you are. They look good. Let's put them in. Let's delve in. Delve in. Here we go. Lovely texture on the noodle. Thick.
I think I might have ended up getting the one in broth, but not the pan fried one.
I think the broth one's probably the better one. They're actually really thick. Actually really thick and soft, and they kind of delve in to your mouth, melt. I do like the thing about actually freshly made noodles. Quite soft. They're thick and chewy. They're much better than like shop bought noodles. And there's loads of what? I think it's like chicken and all sorts of stuff on top of it as well, isn't it? Within that kind of broth. It's amazingly good, incidentally, by the way. Really nice, chewy little pieces of meat. It's really sort of crispy and tasty within the noodle. It's got a really nice kind of tomatoey sauce on the noodles, I'd say. Really kind of soaked in, but it's not spicy. This is quite mild. So these beautiful dumplings, man. So what's in these dumplings? Do it?
There's lamb, beef, and pumpkin.
Oh, that looks good.
It's like lamb and beef.
Oh man, that's surprisingly good. I think this is like lamb. It's really nicely spiced. Not over spiced, but kind of gingery, kind of
Subtle, isn't it?
shuffling spice. Let's try and rip this one open. Oh, that's a chicken one. Oops, that fell away. Oh, very good as well. Dip this in the crazy sauce. Oh, look at that dumpling. That's another chicken one. Dip you in a bit of this white sauce. Is that yogurt? Look at that, a bit of white sauce. They've got to open them all, man. I might not get the right shot. So overall, absolutely fantastic meal. Really good. Bit rough because we're obviously fish. The dumplings, probably the best bit. Absolute favourite. Beautiful, soft, lovely dumplings. Noodles nice. Could done them a bit spicier. The basic lamb and rice stuff. Absolutely beautiful, tasty. Very nice salad actually. Surprisingly satisfying. Yeah. Really, really good. Absolutely packed in here. Loads of people coming in. I guess for a quick dinners after work, but it is amazing. Yeah, amazingly popular.